So this is Tunisian simple stitch. Here I use it like this. For this stitch I use it two color, yellow and white. This is Tunisian hook. You can find this hook on Etsy, eBay, Amazon. Just Google it Tunisian hook. For this stitch we need multiple of 2, and here I chain the stitches like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I skip first stitch and crochet to the second and pull up the loop like this. Okay, so insert the hook and pull up the loop from every stitch like this. So crochet 1, after 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and here I leave 2 stitch for adding new color. I add new color like this and hold this yarn, turn. So we just crochet like this. Like this to every stitch we insert the hook and to here. To these bars and crochet. This is just Tunisian simple stitch. To here. To here. So leave 2 change like this. See? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. To here. See? So repeat row just 2 and 3 to the desired length. You can use like this or use. So in this tutorial I will show how to do a bend off in Tunisian crochet stitch. So first we do like this. Here we have 1 loop. After we insert the hook to the next one and just do slip stitch. So we do this to end of the row. See, insert hook and 2 till end of the row. As you see here we have like this. So that's how we do bend off in Tunisian crochet. This is really so simple and so easy. See, as here. Here. stitches, and here insert. So as you see here, we have 2 loops. We insert the hook to here, to the 2 loops, and pull up the loop, and this one we do like this. So this is how stitch looks in every side. With this stitch you can do blankets, everything that you want. This is really so good and so beautiful stitch. Tunisian simple stitch.